Mobile phone retailers have been busy attending to bigger numbers of shoppers since last week, when civil servants received their Elaun Sara Hidup (ESH) or Cost of Living Allowance. Business more than tripled based on interviews with retail shop employees.
For the weeks and around Saturday and Sunday, there's more than triple. 1,003 within 2 days.
The sales more double, especially in the second floor.
Just a handphone. Yeah, it's just a handphone. Haven't included all those iPad, iPod. Most on Samsung. Yeah, most on Samsung.
Yeah, mainly Samsung we out of stock already. The smartphone is like Samsung Y, S2, the Note 1, the S3. The most popular is the S3.
80% of mobile phone. And the other 20% of tablet. Yeah, normally it's like our stuff maybe around 7 to 8. When on those few days, I've been within like my technician, I bring it down. My office girl bring it down. We're around 15 to 16 people, but still not enough. We can have more, we can sell more. This means can more than let the sales, but no more stuff to take away. Because it's more than bonus. This one, I think, might be double or triple from the province.
We just get the new stock from our store there.
How many units or stocks?
We get around 10 to 15 stock, but finish in 1 day.
The shopping spree has also caused traffic jams in commercial areas like Gadong and Kula.